Welcome to RAS classes. Those who are watching our videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Today, we'll see some C programs using ternary operator or conditional operator. Now, you see, I'm sharing. This is a C program using what? Conditional operator or ternary operator. Write a program in C to find a number is even or odd. Clear? Using conditional operator, ternary operator. You know, operators are generally three types. One is unary operator, second one is binary operator, third one is ternary operator. Then what is unary operator? The operator having one operand. And what is binary operator? The operator having two operands. Clear? Then ternary operator has what? Three operands. Clear? The operator having three operands is called ternary operator. This is the syntax for ternary operator. Clear? Now see expression 1, question mark, expression 2, then colon, then expression 3. Clear? This expression may be one condition or any expression which results what? Either true or false, either non-zero value or 0. If it is true, it will go to expression 2. This is the true part for expression 1. Clear? So after question mark and before colon, this expression 2 is the true part for expression 1. Same, if this expression 1 results 0 or false, it will directly go to expression 3. After colon and this expression 3 part is the false part for expression 1. Clear? Now see the program. Integer main, integer number, printf enter a number, then scanf %id ampersand number. Here I am inputting what? Number through scanf. Clear? Then this is the condition to check a number is even or odd. Number modular division by 2 equal to 0. If number modular division by 2 equal to 0. Then if this condition is true, that means for even number, this condition will true. So it will go to this part after question mark and before column. This is the true part for this condition or expression. Clear? It will print what? % is even, comma number. If this condition is false, it will directly go to this part after colon part. This is the false part for this condition or expression. So it will print % is clear. Now see, I'm running this program. You can see first compile, there is no error. Go for run. You can see it is asking enter a number. Enter a number. Suppose I'm inputting 12. Clear? Now see 12 modular division by 2 equal to 0. This condition is true. Clear? So it will go to after question mark part, true part. It will print what? % is even, comma number. So 12 is even. Now see the output, whether it is printing or not. Yes, it is coming. 12 is even. Now suppose I am running for second time. You can see again it is asking enter a number. Enter a number. Clear? Suppose I am inputting 33. Clear? So 33 modular division by 2 equal to 0. This condition is what? False. It will directly go to after colon part, or this is the false part. So it will print what? % is odd, comma number. So 33 is odd. Now see the output. Yes, 33 is odd. All of you understood? This is the syntax of what? Ternary operator or conditional operator. Clear? All of you clear? Now see another example using this same conditional operator or ternary operator. Write a C program to find greatest among three numbers using conditional operator or ternary operator. Clear? This is the program where I have used the nested conditional operator. The nested conditional operator. You know previously the nested if else. The nested if else means what? If one if else present inside another if else, then it is called nested if else. Same. If one ternary operator or conditional operator present inside another conditional operator, clear? Then it is called nested of conditional operator. Nesting of conditional operator. Clear? You can see integer number 1, number 2, number 3, 3 numbers I have taken, then greatest to store the greatest number here, then enter 3 numbers, then scan a percentile d, percentile d, then ampersand number 1, number 2, number 3. Clear? Through scanf I am inputting 3 numbers at a time. Clear? Then you can see greatest equal to, I am comparing the first number with other two. That means if number 1 greater than number 2, and this is logical and double ampersand symbol. If number 1 greater than number 2 and number 1 greater than number 3. If this condition is true, what will happen? Obviously number 1 is greatest number. Clear? So it will go to true part. There is number 1. I have written number 1. This number 1 will store in what? The variable greatest. If this condition is true, it will go to this part, and number 1, there is number 1 written. So number 1 will be, the value of number 1 will be stored in what? Greatest. Clear? So number 1 will be greatest. If this condition is false, it will go to after colon part. This is the false part for this condition or expression. So here in false part, there is another expression or condition. You can see, if number 2 greater than number 1, and this is logical, and number 2 greater than number 3. If number 2 greater than number 1 and number 2 greater than number 3. Obviously number 2 is greatest. Now see, after question mark there is another question mark. Clear? There is another question mark for this expression. Now see, I have written number 2. So number 2 will be assigned to greatest. If this condition is true, it will go to this part, and number 2 will be assigned to greatest. Clear? In this way, number 2 will be greatest. Else, if this condition is false, it will directly go to which part? After colon part. This is the false part. For what? This expression. So there is number 3. This will be assigned to greatest. So that if this condition also false, then number 3 will be greatest. After this line, I print what? Printf greatest number is percentile d greatest. So that it will print the actual greatest number. All of it clear? Understood? This is the small program using conditional nested conditional operator or what? Ternary operator. Clear? Just see, I'm running this program. First compile this program. Yes, there is no error. Then go for run. It is asking enter 3 numbers. Enter 3 numbers. Suppose I am inputting 12, 44 and 23. Clear? Now see, greatest number is 44. Greatest number is 44. You can see number 1 is 12. 12 greater than number 2. This condition false. This is logical, and so total condition become false. So it will directly go to this part. This is the false part for this expression. Here condition is number 2. That means 44 greater than number 1, 12. Yes. And number 2, 44 greater than number 3, 23. Yes, 44 greater than 23. So this part is true. So it will go to true part. This is question mark. And this is the true part for this condition expression. So number 2 will be assigned to greatest. Clear? So it will display greatest number is 44. Greatest number is 44. Clear? This is the use of the nested conditional operator or ternary operator. All of you clear? This conditional operator is same as your if else. You can see this conditional operator is same as your what? If else. If this condition is true, then it will execute what? If block statement. In if block statement, these are true block statements. Then if condition is false, it will go to else part. It will go to here. In this case, it will go to this false part. Clear? This is same as your if else. So whatever the program you are doing using if else, same program you can do using conditional operator, ternary operator. Conditional operator or ternary operator. All of you understood? Clear? So today we'll stop here, and in next video we'll discuss or we'll see some more C programs. More C programs. Thank you.